everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute birthday special minion using paper quilling strips, and this is looking super cute, isn't it? So I will share each and every step of how to make the complete minion along with the party cap, the balloons, the strawberry cake, the decorations. Everything is made out of paper. I'm just loving this so much, and you can use this as a cake topper or as a decoration piece. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with making the minion's face. For this, here I am taking 10 strips of yellow color in 5 mm and making one big tight coil. Secure end using glue. Then I am using my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome shape. Add glue inside the dome, spread it nicely with brush and allow it to dry. Then here I am taking 30 by 3 centimeters yellow color cardstock strip and I am just rolling it to create the pipe. Here I am making the body of the minion. And we have to open it till that point when it gets fixed inside the dome. So the diameter of the pipe and the diameter of the dome should be same. And when you finalize the shape, you can just secure the end using glue. And then I am sticking this pipe with the yellow dome. Like this. Then here I am taking blue color 5 mm strip and sticking it in the bottom part of the body. Like this. And then here I have prepared one more dome using 10 strips of blue color in 5 mm. With the same method, I have already added glue inside the dome, and now I am sticking this bottom dome with the bottom part of the body. And it should look like this. Then I am starting with making the leg. Here I am taking one strip of blue color in 5 mm and making one cone shape. Just comparing with the another leg, the height should be same for both the legs, and now I am happy. Then I am showing you how to make hands. For this, here I am taking half strip of yellow color in 5 mm and making one cone shape. Like this. Now adding glue inside the legs and hands. So we need 2 legs and 2 hands. Then to create boot, here I have prepared this black color tight coil using 1.5 strip in 5 mm, just pinching it in one corner and making a tight teardrop shape. Similarly, we need one more boot. Now joining the boot with the legs like this. And sticking the leg with Minion's body. Now you will have little bit of gap from both the sides after attaching the legs. So just to fill that gap, I am taking here very small amount of the air dry clay and filling the gap nicely. Just blend it nicely using wet brush and allow it to dry completely. Then here I am taking 3 by 2 cm blue color cardstock strip and sticking it in the front part of the body like this. Then after drying the clay work, I am coloring this clay part using same blue acrylic color so that it will merge nicely and no one will know you have used the clay to combine everything together. Like this. And then I am attaching both the hands. After that, I have created here palm using half strip of black color in 5 mm. This is small dome shape. So I am connecting it with hands. Then keeping it aside, and I am here making the specs for the minion. So I am taking half strip of grey color in 2 mm and wrapping it around the pencil to create the ring shape. Like this. Then I am sticking this ring on top of the white color paper. After drying the paper, I am just cutting the extra cardstock from the edge. And this is done. Now inside this, I am creating a small black color dot using black acrylic color and my ball tool for the eyes. Similarly, I have prepared one more speck. Now, taking here small black color 3 mm strip as the base of the speck and sticking it like this. Then on top of this, I am adding both the eyes. And then making mouth using red acrylic color and black marker. So cute. Then here I have prepared this pink color tight coil using 5 strips of 3 mm in pink color. Just taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Then opening it little bit more to shape it nicely as the hat. Add glue inside the hat and allow it to dry. Then I am decorating the hat using thin yellow color strips in diagonal pattern. On top of the hat I have added the small yellow color fringe flower, and now I am sticking the hat on the minion's head. Then I am connecting blue color strips as the strap of his dress on the shoulder like this. Similarly, I have attached the strap on another side and this is done. Then adding two small buttons in black color which are made using 1/8 strip of black color in 2 mm. Then adding this centerpiece which I have created on blue color cardstock, just created a small pattern. And then here I have prepared these cute quilled balloons which I have already shown in one of the short video. I have given link in description box of that video if you want to learn how I have created these balloons. And now I am connecting the bunch of balloons with the other hand of the minion. Then I am starting with making the cake. So starting with making the candle first, and for this here I am taking 7 mm brown color strip and creating a small thin pipe. Like this. Then around this I am going to wrap total 5 strips of off-white color in 5 mm. Then making a dome shape of the cake, add glue inside this and allow it to dry. Then I am decorating the cake from top using pink acrylic shade and making a dripping icing by creating these wavy patterns and giving it a strawberry flavor. Like this, and then I am sticking the cake with other hand of the minion. And our super cute paper quilled minion cake topper is completely ready. I am just loving the outcome so much. He can stand it nicely, and if you want to use this as the cake topper, just don't forget to add any plastic sheet in the bottom of his legs so that it will protect your cake and as well as the quilling work. And you can then decorate your home after the cake cutting ceremony. So in this way you can try different animals, different cartoon characters and make your own cake toppers. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.